want to talk?
Hi, this is Bruce Perlwin. I'm here visiting my brother Craig Perlwin in Florida, Naples, Florida to be specific. And way up top you saw Craig Perlwin when he was living with me in Las Vegas and starting our Kins domain. And he decided that Kins domains were contagious. And so we're here with his son Mikey, Gloria,
Our grandson.
a special guest, Marco Roden, and you guys can Google Marco Roden and you'll be real surprised at what you see there. But here's his Kins domain. Same model as we're doing in the Kins domain, the first one. 5 acres. We'll build 2 Kins domain, 2.5. I'll probably help him build the second one, so when I come to Florida, I'll have a nice Kins domain here. Now, as you can see, this is desert land with nothing growing. Wait, that was
That's Arizona.
Arizona.
Yeah.
So he has a little bit of a advantage here, you know. In Florida, you can take a branch, break it off,
And plant
stick it in
it.
the ground,
He's right.
and here is your living fence. All right, now you can see this is really well. One of the things about Kins domains, it's supposed to be about 2/3 trees. I didn't discuss that earlier because we're in the desert and there was no trees except for a few of them. But as you see, it'll be very easy to build a living fence. It'll be very easy to get 2/3 trees. And also digging a pond here. Craig, how tough is it to dig a pond?
You go down 2 feet and you hit water. I built a pond out on my other property, and it's just dig down, and you use the dirt that you take out as your border, or to elevate your land around the pond. So it's real easy.
They have a major and massive advantage here in South Florida, just west of Naples. And you know, if you turn around here, you can see somebody out in this area who built the house on a, what is that, about 5 acres?
No, this is 5 acres, and you can just see how flat the land is. And once you get the underbrush gone, what's left is the pines, and he probably took out some of the pines too. But he's got oak there, and you know, I've grown out here in Naples before. We raised oak trees and all kinds of palms, and I just stuck them in the ground, watered them every day for 30 days to get the root system going, and I was done. I just had to trim them. You go around trimming them every so often.
Yeah.
That's not
That
fair.
was really good. No, it was really good.
So anyways,
You can
let's
put
take a
mango
look
trees.
around.
I just had to watch out for the alligators.
And the ostriches. Have alligators out in Arizona, so there is an advantage to the desert.
Here's the goats, Bruce. That goat.
It goes, chickens,
He's got to
and
do
all
next
that.
time. Okay. We're going to walk all the way down, Bruce. If you want